Meaning of decided.
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 Decided. The word decided is the past tense form of the verb decide, which means to make a choice or come to a conclusion after considering various options or alternatives. It implies an act of determination or resolving a certain matter. The result of having decided can vary depending on the context, but it typically involves reaching a final decision or settling a dispute in a definitive way. It can also refer to the outcome of a vote or a judgment made by an individual or group. In short, decided signifies a definitive and conclusive outcome of a particular matter.